Hi, Aman. How are you?
I'm good, but my English is not good. I start learning English, then I stop.
Oh, so your English is like a gym membership. You join and never go?
Hey, that hurts. But yes, I want to speak English every day, but I forget.
Don't worry. Let's talk about consistency.
Consistent what?
Consistency. It means doing a small thing every day.
Every day, even Sunday.
Yes, even Sunday. But don't worry, just 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes. I can do that while eating chips.
Perfect. You can speak English while brushing teeth, walking, or eating chips.
Really? What should I speak?
Simple things like, I am brushing my teeth. I am eating chips. My chips are tasty.
My English is hungry now.
See, English can be fun. Rule number 1, no fear, no shame.
But I make mistakes.
Good. Mistakes mean you are learning. No mistakes equals no learning.
Oh, I like mistakes now.
Rule number 2, practice with a friend.
Can I practice with you?
Of course, or talk to a mirror. Mirror never laughs.
My mirror knows all my secrets. Haha.
Rule number 3, listen and repeat. Listen to podcasts, cartoons, or short videos.
Like this podcast?
Exactly like this podcast.
So, 10 minutes every day, simple words, no fear, and practice?
Yes, that's the secret.
Wow, English is not scary now.
English is your friend. Just talk to it daily.
Speak English 10 minutes every day. Use simple sentences. Don't fear mistakes. Practice daily with friends, mirror, or podcasts.
Start today. Speak one English sentence right now. And don't forget to listen to this podcast daily to improve your English.
I will start now. English is easy. Haha.
Yes, see you next time. Bye.
Good morning, Ria.
Good morning, Aman. How are you today?
I am fine. I feel sleepy.
That's okay. Say this sentence with me. I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning.
Good. Now say, I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
Nice. One more. I take a bath.
I take a bath.
Very good. Morning English is easy, right?
Yes, my English wakes up with me.
Egg breakfast time.
Now breakfast time. Say, I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
Good. What do you eat?
Bread.
Then say, I eat bread for breakfast.
I eat bread for breakfast.
Perfect. One more sentence. My breakfast is tasty.
My breakfast is tasty.
School or study time.
Now study time. Say, I go to school.
I go to school.
Good. Or if you study at home, I study at home.
I study at home.
Very nice. Now repeat after me. I listen to my teacher.
I listen to my teacher.
Great. I write in my notebook.
I write in my notebook. Adults say this one. I go to office. I work. I'm learning English. I am watching a new series.
12 o'clock. Afternoon time.
Ria, I feel hungry again.
Afternoon time. Say, I eat my lunch.
I eat my lunch.
Good. I like my food.
I like my food.
Excellent. After lunch we say, I take some rest.
I take some rest.
Evening time. Play and fun.
Now evening time. Say, I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
Nice. I like to play games.
I like to play games.
Good sentence. Now this one. I feel happy.
I feel happy. Evening English practice.
In the evening, we practice English. Say, I watch English videos.
I watch English videos.
Great. I listen to English words.
I listen to English words.
Very good. See, only small sentences every day. Yes, English is not hard now.
Dinner time. Now dinner time. Say, I eat my dinner.
I eat my dinner.
Good. I eat with my family.
I eat with my family.
Lovely sentence. Nighttime. Good night.
Now night time. Say, I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
Good. I go to bed.
I go to bed.
And the last sentence of the day, good night, see you tomorrow.
Good night. See you tomorrow.